Choosing the right 3D printer is not as simple as it looks, and one wrong pick can turn excitement into frustration real fast. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best 3D printers in 2026, the ones that actually perform well, print clean, and feel worth your money. No confusion, just the right options. All product buy links are in the video description. Stay till the end to find the perfect 3D printer for your setup. Let's get started. Number 5. Creality SparkX i7, a fast, intelligent 3D printer designed to make multicolor printing simple and efficient. It delivers smooth, multicolor results with faster filament switching, reducing purging waste by up to 50% while improving overall efficiency and detail. With Creality's CubeMe AI, portraits can quickly turn into personalized 3D models, making it easy to create unique decor or gifts, while the sleek aluminum body with customizable RGB lighting adds a modern touch to any workspace. Setup is effortless, going from box to first print in just minutes with no assembly required, and the CFS light system automatically reads filament data and applies the best print settings without manual input. A generous 260 by 260 by 255 mm build volume handles both large projects and multiple parts at once, while real-time pressure advance improves corner sharpness and print accuracy. The built-in AI camera actively monitors prints for common issues and alerts when needed, and one-tap calibration takes care of leveling and tuning automatically. A smart, beginner-friendly machine built to keep creativity flowing from the start. Number 4. Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 Combo, a powerful multicolor 3D printer built for speed, precision, and effortless creativity. It brings 4-color printing through the canvas system with instant color switching, smart filament detection, auto refill, and tangle detection, so multicolor projects run more smoothly with less hassle. The Core XY motion system reaches up to 500 mm per second and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration, while the rigid aluminum frame helps keep prints stable at speed. With a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume, a 350 degrees Celsius nozzle, full auto calibration, and intelligent detection, it is built to handle both everyday models and more demanding materials with confidence. Remote printer control, real-time monitoring, and the built-in camera make the workflow easier to manage, and the system is designed to keep printing clean, sharp, and consistent. A capable all-in-one printer that feels ready for creative work from the first layer to the final finish. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Combo, a fast, easy-to-use 3D printer built to make high-detail printing and multicolor projects feel simple from the start. It delivers impressive speed with up to 10,000 mm per second acceleration, while still keeping prints accurate and clean, making it a strong fit for models, prototypes, and everyday creative work. With AMS light support, multicolor printing becomes much more accessible, letting designs come to life with vibrant, layered detail without a complicated setup. Full auto calibration takes care of bed leveling, Z offset, and other adjustments on its own, so there's less time spent tuning and more time spent printing. Active flow rate compensation helps keep extrusion smooth and consistent, improving surface quality and reducing print issues along the way. The touchscreen interface feels simple to use, while the one-clip quick-swap nozzle makes maintenance easier and gives more flexibility for different print needs. It also runs quietly, with active motor noise canceling helping keep the workspace calm and comfortable. A smart, reliable printer that makes creativity feel easier every day. Number 2. Qidi Q2, a smart, professional 3D printer that makes entry-level printing feel far more capable. It uses a full metal core XY structure with linear rails, a nozzle as sensor leveling system, a 65°C heated chamber, and a 370°C hot end to deliver up to 600 millimeters per second motion and 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, with strong first layer consistency and smoother, more reliable prints. It also adds an AI camera for spaghetti detection, power loss recovery, input shaping, and a 3-in-1 air filter, while the 270 by 270 by 256 millimeter build volume gives enough room for larger parts and everyday projects. Pair it with Qidi Box for multi-material work, and it can support up to 16 colors with drying while printing, auto reload, and cleaner support removal. The printer handles materials from PLA and PETG to ABS, ASA, TPU, PA, PC, and reinforced composites, making it a practical choice for both beginners and advanced makers. A tidy, capable machine that feels built to grow with your projects. Number 1. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. A powerful, high-speed 3D printer designed for smooth, reliable, and hassle-free creation. Built for efficiency, it delivers up to 600 millimeters per second speed with 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, while the fast heating nozzle reaches 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, so projects start without delay. Its core XY motion system and solid all-metal frame keep prints stable even at high speeds, and multiple nozzle options let you switch between fine detail and faster output with ease. Automatic bed leveling uses pressure sensing to ensure accurate first layers every time, removing the need for manual adjustments or extra setup steps. The dual-sided PEI platform makes removing prints quick and clean, while smart features like filament detection, resume printing, and auto shutdown keep everything running smoothly. With app-based remote control, real-time monitoring, and wide material support including PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, and PC, it's built to handle both creative and functional projects. A reliable machine that makes high-speed printing feel simple and consistent.